some breaking news. Dipesh Sawant and Samuel Miranda have given details of the parties that were happening at Sushant's residence and his Pavna farmhouse to the NCB. Names of some big and influential people have also been taken by both of them. Alisha joining us with more details on this breaking update. Alisha, parties that took place at Sushant Singh Rajput.
छोड़ो 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 वहाँ चलो वहाँ चलो वहाँ चलो कम इधर 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 हाँ आइए हाँ इधर हाँ Dipesh Sawant is now being taken out from NCB building. That's the visual which we are showing you right now. Dipesh Sawant is being taken out. He will be escorted by Mumbai police officials. You see that Dipesh is sitting in the middle of the NCB officials who are there inside when Dipesh Sawant, who was arrested late last night, is now being taken out in complete police security. We are showing you the live pictures. Dipesh Sawant is being taken out. He will be taken for medical examination. Dipesh, क्या रिया कितनी बार कहा रिया ने ड्रग्स के लिए किस तरह की डीलिंग्स हुई? Dipesh, what kind of dealings used to take place? You can see the man who's sitting covering his face is Dipesh Sawant, and right now he is left from NCB building. He will be taken for the medical examination and then to be produced in court. Back to you. Follow possible नहीं है अब.
Live visuals from outside the NCB office. Dipesh Sawant, who was arrested by NCB officials last night, now leaving the NCB office in Mumbai. As we speak, he's being taken for medical test. Perhaps will also be appearing before the court later in the day itself. We'll keep following up on those details. But Dipesh Sawant, as of now, being taken for a medical test, and we are staying with the live visuals tracking Dipesh Sawant, who has just left the NCB office in Mumbai with a team of NCB officials. Dipesh Sawant, there can be spotted in those visuals wearing a hoodie covering his face. That is the man, Dipesh Sawant, who was arrested by the NCB just yesterday. Remember, already Souvik Chakrabarti and Samuel Miranda have given several details to NCB officials, based on which Dipesh Sawant was also arrested, because several inconsistencies that emerged in what Dipesh Sawant told the NCB officials. He has been taken in. Accused number 1, Riya Chakrabarti, also to appear before the NCB officials latest by 11 a.m. Fast-paced developments that are taking place since early this morning. A little over 8 a.m. we saw how Mumbai police, along with a team of NCB officials, reached Riya Chakrabarti's residence. As we speak and keep up with these live visuals from Mumbai, where we're tracking the movements of Dipesh Sawant, who was arrested yesterday by NCB, now being taken for a medical test, following which he will also be produced in court. He will appear before the court. NCB certainly wanting to question this man now, because the NCB has made it clear that they have ample of proof and evidence. They've gathered it all, and they've on the same basis also now summoned Riya Chakrabarti. Remember how Sameer Wankhede, who reached NCB team, was carrying a diary with himself, a diary that had Riya Chakrabarti's name on it. So आर्म्ड विद नंबर आ गया, लेकिन बहुत अहम इस वक्त दीपेश को लेकर के एनसीबी की टीम जा रही है। आज कोर्ट में प्रोड्यूस किया जाएगा और इसके बाद रिमांड मांगी जाएगी दीपेश की। दीपेश से ड्रग्स मंगवाती थी रिया चक्रवर्ती। ड्रग्स कौन लेकर के आता था? दीपेश। कौन कड़ी होता था? दीपेश किसके कहने पर ड्रग्स लेकर के आता था? रिया चक्रवर्ती और शौविक के कहने पर। और फिलहाल इस वक्त आपको बता दें कि डीआरडीओ में भी बहुत बड़ी हलचल है। माना जा रहा है कि सिद्धार्थ पिठानी को भी अरेस्ट किया जा सकता है, सीबीआई अरेस्ट कर सकती है। डीआरडीओ से इस वक्त मेरे साथ मेरी सहयोगी निधि वाशंदानी है। निधि, क्या माने सीबीआई? That was Shweta reporting from outside Riya's residence. A lot of movement expected there as well. Going back to Piyush, who's joining us from outside the NCB office in Mumbai. Piyush, we just saw Dipesh Sawant leave the NCB office, going for a medical test now. Tell us more.
Well, absolutely. Dipesh Sawant is also one of the key players who was involved in drug racketing, and now he has been taken out of NCB office in Balad State, and he will be first. What we are learning is that he will be taken to Sion Hospital, and then he will, he will be facing medical examination. What we are picking is that COVID test will also take place of Dipesh Sawant, and then he will be produced in court. So these are the developments what we are picking. Yesterday, late last night, he was arrested by NCB officials, and he was questioned throughout the day, because day before yesterday in evening he was brought here at NCB office, and then he was questioned thoroughly throughout the day yesterday, and then he was arrested late last night, and now he has been taken out for the medical examination, and then he will be produced in court. Today it's going to be a very big day, because Riya Chakraborty is also likely to be likely to be here, because she has been issued notice by NCB to join the probe. And what we are learning is that at around 11 Riya will be here, and then she will face questioning by the NCB officials. And after that, if NCB finds some sort of hard evidence against Riya, then she is likely to face arrest also. What you are picking is that continuous interrogation will take place. All the accused who have been arrested, who are in custody of NCB, will be made to sit in front of each other, and then massive questioning, thorough questioning will take place, and then more and more evidences will be looked for. What we are also picking is that the people who have been arrested, they have taken names of big Bollywood people. That's the important thing is here is that big people from Bollywood's name have been taken, and now this is going to be a massive thing, because after this NCB will be cracking down on other rackets and other drug rackets which are now prevailing here in Bollywood. So there are certain things on which NCB is now going to focus on. What we're learning is that Dipesh Sawant has been taken out, will be produced in Kila Court, and then NCB will be seeking his custody also.